everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to redeem Expedia points. Now to do that, you need to open the Expedia application and then you need to get logged in first. Now once you are logged in, you need to tap on the accounts on the bottom right. Tap that. You can see in the accounts, you will have the available points on here. And currently, I do not have any points available in my Expedia accounts. So that's 0 over there. If you have points, there will be shown as numbers. So once that's done, you scroll down, you need to tap on coupons and credit, tap on it. This is the place where you can redeem the Expedia points that you receive. As I do not have any points right now, I do not have the option to redeem it as well. This is the place where you can redeem your extra points. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.